Top 10 AWS Cloud Practitioner Questions 2024, Part 2. 1. In order to use CloudWatch alarms to monitor billing information, what two things must you? To use CloudWatch alarms to monitor billing information, you must create an AWS budget and enable billing alerts. First, you create a budget within AWS budgets to track your costs. Then, you enable billing alerts to receive notifications. 2. Which of the following AWS features enables a user to launch a pre-configured Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2 instance, an Amazon Machine Image AMI is a pre-configured template that provides the information required to launch an EC2 instance. Three. A web developer is concerned that a DDoS attack could target an application. Which AWS services or features can help protect against such an attack? Choose 2. AWS Shield provides protection against DDoS attacks, and Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN that can help mitigate DDoS attacks by distributing traffic across multiple locations. 4. Which option is an environment that consists of one or more data centers? An availability zone AZ is an isolated location within an AWS region that consists of one or more data centers. Each availability zone is engineered to be isolated from failures in other zones, and multiple AZ in a region are connected with low-latency links. 5. Which AWS service or feature requires an Internet Service Provider ISP and a colocation facility to be implemented? AWS Direct Connect provides a dedicated network connection from your on-premises data center or colocation facility to AWS. Six. A company plans to move its test workloads to Amazon EC2. Test workloads can be interrupted and are not required to start at a particular time. Which EC2 instance purchasing option is most cost-effective for this use case? Spot instances are the most cost-effective option for workloads that are flexible and can tolerate interruptions. 7. Which AWS service tracks API calls and user activity? AWS CloudTrail is specifically designed to log and monitor account activity across your AWS infrastructure, including API calls made by users, roles, or AWS services. 8. A company is in finding correct Amazon EC2 instance types and sizes to meet its performance and capacity requirements at the lowest possible cost. Which option accurately characterizes the company's actions? Right-sizing refers to adjusting the size of your AWS resources like EC2 instances to match your actual usage needs. 9. A company needs to run an application on Amazon EC2 instances that cannot be interrupted at any time. They need an instance purchasing option that requires no long-term commitment or upfront payment. Which instance purchasing option will meet these requirements most cost-effectively? On-demand instances provide the flexibility of paying for compute capacity by the hour or second with no long-term commitment or upfront payment. They also ensure that the instances will not be interrupted, which is a critical requirement for the company's application. 10. A company needs to deploy a mix of AWS compute and storage solutions. Which AWS offering should the company use? To meet this requirement, AWS Outposts is the offering that allows companies to run a mix of AWS compute and storage solutions on premises, extending AWS infrastructure, services, and tools to virtually any data center or on-premises facility. Do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Do comment your suggestions.